Okay, sorry, I'm sitting out on my dirty patio. Wasn't planning to do a video, but I'm going to do a real quick video because I picked up this cute little table. I'm going to paint it. It's like a telephone table. You can see it's got like a hole in the back. I think it'll be cute for an entryway to have like a little charging station kind of thing. But this is probably why they got rid of it, took it to the thrift store. It's flopping up and down like this. It's no big deal. This had a drawer right here. Sorry. It goes like that. It's really cute. But I'm gonna fix that. I can show you when I'm all done. But this is not a big deal to fix. People, if your furniture starts doing that, flip it over. I'm gonna stop the video real quick and then I'm gonna flip it over and show you what's going on. Okay, so here's the bottom of this telephone table. You can see the nuts here have just come up. Just need to be tightened. It's not even a good fix. It's not even a big fix. But I'm sure whoever had it thought, and there's one actually missing right here. That's not a big deal. People, go to the hardware store. You can totally find the nuts at the hardware store. If it's missing a screw, just literally, if I tighten all three of these down, I doubt that missing one's even gonna be a problem. So those are all finger tight. So when you do it and it's not, I didn't use a wrench or a screwdriver of any kind. So this leg is a little wobbly. Also, it's just the nut. Well, actually that's an Allen wrench. They have those too at the hardware store. Let me flip it back over and see just finger tight how much stabler this table is. Okay, so I literally just flipped it back up. It's just finger tightened. That one nut is still missing, I promise you, but look. Top, not going anywhere. That leg is still wobbly. That I'll grab an Allen wrench and tighten it up. And then this thing is gonna be just fantastic. It's gonna be sturdy. It's gonna get a coat of probably, I'm thinking either beige or white paint on the body, and then doing a black paint on the top, or maybe a pattern on the top. I don't know, we'll see. I'll show you when it's all done. But this cost me $5 at the thrift store. Don't walk past it. You know, if it's a little wobbly, I flipped it over right there in the store to take a peek at what was going on with tightening it. Knew it wasn't going to be a big deal, took it home. The drawer that's broken, the little tray, it literally had these pins holding it in place down here, so they fit in here, and then you glue the front back on. It's not a big repair at all. It took me, 3 seconds to finger tighten that. I'll get a wrench out and an Allen wrench and fix the rest of it. It's not even going to take me 10 minutes to glue the face back on and put it all back together. The biggest part of this repair is going to be painting it, and I paint everything anyway, so don't walk past it. It's a great piece. It's got the fantastic legs on it. It's gonna make me some money, people. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week, DIY tutorials, and of course, more junkin' videos.